انت شفت المحل الجديد؟
Yeah. No, not yet. Wait.
These guys decided to prank their friend.
Probably put something in wrong or something.
Just look at her face.
Are you trying to kill me? that was mental.
Just look at his reaction.
Take a seat, let's talk.
Oh, hell no. The last time I did that, you freaking pranked me
No,
with
that
it.
was fine, I
With an
swear.
air. No, I'm not doing that. You did it to me! You rotten kid!
Look at the mess.
You did it to me again, you rotten kid.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
I think she will have problems. Oh, it's my favorite prank.
Play too much. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Changing, one day it's raining and
Oh, I feel sorry for this guy.
How about this? You. It still got me. Oh my God!
You made a lot of money. Surprise.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please make subscribe and like this video. Thanks and see you soon.
Wat is slang nou, Jelle? Waar is de sniper?